Guys, look at it. Good evening mga guys. We're going to Cornish. Going to buy something. Say hi, Stella. Why you're so beautiful. Uy. Yan. Lagalag lang kami ng konti kasi parating na sila. Yan sa gusto kong magpapawis kaya sumama ako guys. Nag-jacket pa ako. Stella, you look so beautiful today. Guys,
ay maganda ngayon, may hangin
malapit lang dito sa bahay namin yung
wala.
yung Cornish na sinasabi nila. Yung sa fish market din.
Best friend ko, tapos tatlo na kami. Dati di ba ako lang?
Yan guys. Lakad-lakad lang.
Babalik yun. Babalik yun. Natatawag yan na yun.
May binubuga. Ay, kinuha yung mga batakan ninyo.
Kanina, tumawag. Kausap ko niya naman itong ginagawa dito.
Yes, so
Pagtuwarin mo nanay.
ito na kami sa park. Tawid muna kami guys. Kasi may mga sasakyan guys.
Is that salon? Mashallah. Okay, we will go. That's why I told Lulu. Going to Lulu there, the salon. Not Taylor. Not here. Ito na
Ito na yung park nila guys. Yung maluwang na park. Tapos yun naman yung fish market. Ganda lumabas ngayon kasi may hangin-hangin. Yan yung fish market. Yan kami dadaan mamaya at bibigyan ng fish. Ayan, yan? Fruits. May fruits pala dyan. Makabili nga mamaya. What? What you want?
a small video on this mobile. That one
Yeah,
will send
okay.
me later.
Okay. Dan na, may fruits. So, bili tayo mamaya ng fruits.
What?
Yan
Bunny, where?
lang, walk there.
Bye.
Ang ganda siya. Ang ganda rito, guys. Wow. Palailang. Nagpalailang kami guys. Diyan mo nagpakata dati kadwa. Pinuhaan. Ay ke. Iyari kami ta. Paano mag-selfie nakatalibabad ka dyan? Ayan, doon sana makita ko sa ayan no, marami mga boat dyan no. Ang dami, sana makapunta sana kami doon guys.
This one.
Guys, andito kami. Lakad-lakad lang, punta kami dito sa may gilid ng dagat. Lakad-lakad lang. Picture. Oo.
Tapos doon na tayo diretso.
Oo. I was afraid of falling. Ayan ha. Yan guys, so yun yung they said not allowed, not allowed, okay. Hindi daw allowed sa inside. They said it's not allowed daw guys sa mga boat. So hindi kami makakalapit sa mga boat.
We go to the salon.
Salon. Here, rounding. We take the sea. See? I can't make it zoom here. Yan guys, oh. Isusum na lang natin kasi hindi daw pwede. Yan. Dami. May mga refa sa gitna ng dagat. May kuryente rin kaya dyan.
Let me sit here and make me
Yala, go.
picture.
Go, go there, there.
1, 2, 3.
See? Very nice. Stella.
Stella, I will take good picture for you and take
Ang ganda. Yan ang aming beautiful.
Pinicture mo siya?
Hindi. Naka-video
Stella,
ako.
look at me, nice. Only like that for you? Let me see. No, it's still not take. I want to take now.
Ganda sana makapunta tayo doon. Ang ganda yung moon. Tignan mo yung moon doon, no? Yung moon. Yan, no?
Ganda yung move. Ganda.
Where is it? Here, Estela.
Look at my hair.
Yan ang ano ng Qatar. Malikot siya. Ang nag-iisang dagat dito sa ano na makikita mo. Nice place also. Maganda ngayon kasi mahangin. Mahangin at hindi masyadong mainit. Yung mata ko, oh, sakit. Nagluluha siya, guys. Ano yung dalawa? Yan yung dalawang sexy. Yan yung bus, oh.
Ikaw mo.
See, that is the bus.
Don't get people.
Ang ganda rin. No?
Kasi doon na yung cornice niya. Isa palang video niya ay TikTok niya sa akin. Get mo.
Evening walk.
Ayan lang ang TikTok yung dala. Ang ganda. O, tayo ba?
Evening. Oy, sarap. Tayo, guys. Ganda pala mag-walking sana
Yan ang
ng ganito
cornice.
dito.
Ang full cornice.
Stella. Yalla.
Lisa. Ah. Yeah, also. Here. We go there after you want to salon there. I will go into Lulu.
It's a nice place. Charot lang ang lato. Oh. Guys, oh, aking money.
Money fulus.
Happy Fulus. Oh. Pwede pala dyan, oh. Ano yun? Tubig pala yan, oh. Ayan, oh. Parang hindi siya tubig. O dapat dito na lang pala tayo nag-swimming noon. Ang luwang-luwang din ng dagat nila dito, guys. Yan, no. Pwede sana magtalampisaw doon, no. Yan. Walang gaanong tao. So, ganda ng place. Nangingitim yung mata ko kasi nagluluha siya, hindi ko alam. Masakit na siya. Yan, nakalakad-lakad din ng kahit paano. 2 weeks kasi kami nasa loob lang ng bahay kasi wala yung mga amo namin. Lumaya sila, nagpunta sila ng India. Ngayon, iniwan lang kami. Nabukan namin magpaalam kanina kasi nagbo-boring na kami. Pinayagan naman kami. Ayan yung isa, oh, tignan, tiktokero. Yan. Ito yun na natawag nilang dangla, oh. Kung natalo ka, maliligo ka nito. Ah! Yan. Yan si tiktokera. Kahit saan na lang mag-tiktok. Ayan. May mga dates dito, oh. Dates, wala ng bunga. Kanya-kanyang posisyon naman, guys. Yan naman yung isa. Hi. Hello.
Grabe ng pawis ko.
Kaya,
I'm sweating.
grabe yung pawis ko. Gusto ko talaga kasi magpapawis, kaya ako pumunta dito. So guys, bibili lang kami ng fruits bago kami uuwi. May makain man lang. Baka may gulay din dito. Want to buy fruits? Watermelon. Hello. You want to buy? Huh. How much here sitaw?
18 real 1 kg.
Huh?
1 kg 18 real.
Can you check how much this one?
No nearby salon around here. Nearby salon kada hai.
There.
How much this?
This 8 real.
Let's bili rin ako ng banana. It's too much ripe, this one. It's not, no, have the green one? Yeah? Oh. This is the same. Okay. Or here. This one, how much, my friend? Check for me. Huh?
9 real.
Make half?
Huh?
Yeah.
Five real.
Okay. And then You don't have pet chai?
Let's say no, finish. And morning come.
Morning? Oh,
Kango? Madam,
yes.
Kango.
Kangkong is not very good. How much that kangkong? How much kangkong?
Korea.
Korea?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me. And then it's watermelon. How much watermelon?
350 kilo.
Check for me this one. How much? Ayan guys. 9 real. 19? Okay.
1919.
Okay. Add one more, so 20 real, ha?
Okay, 20.
Still not including this? You make a...
26.
You said before, all this one, including that one, is 20. Okay.
26.
Okay. 26 real. Ooh. Magpapagupit daw si Stella. This is for the men.
This is the hair. Cutting my hair also like for the men.
Yeah, but the your ladies, no, they will not cut for the ladies. Us, go us. She want to cut her hair. You can cut. Yalla, here. Your wish is granted. Yalla, I wait for you. Yan.
This is small?
Already sent it here.
Yeah.
The way it is.
Down
The style.
is one
Follow
number?
the- Yeah.
Down one number?
Yeah.
Okay na?
Follow the style that is there.
Okay. Up,
Slope lo na usko. Slope lo.
up little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Follow the way it is.
Okay.
Yan, gupit na siya. Gupitan ng lalaki. It's hard cutting your hair, huh?
Yeah. It is very hard.
Tough wadlala din. And then they will shave here like this?
Okay.
Huh? They will shave like this?
Yeah, they too.
तुम्हें कॉलर है लगे तो लगा नहीं काम कर
Mahirap guys, gupitan yung ganitong klaseng buhok. Mahirap supply.
That's why it is very hard to comb.
Yeah. Yes.
Little small.
Cannot cut. What is this?
What is this hair?
No shave here? Up like that?
He will maybe after with the machine.
Yeah? No?
Slow?
Yeah?
No, no, no.
This one. See, like this.
It's finishing machine. Okay?
Yes. This one.
Yan lang guys, yung nahulog na buhok.
It's like that. That's why I prefer cutting.
But it's paining, yeah?
No?
No? Maganda na si Stella. Maganda na siya. Isa na pa eh.
Print finishing.
Yeah, this.
Okay.
Like this here.
Okay.
Okay. It's the beautiful life. Yun guys, ang ganda na si Stella. Yan, nagagubit din. My friend, this one for her. I will pay for that. For that lady. Yeah. Yan yung mga book na natanggal. Bili ako ng kulang na isda guys. Dagdag pangluto ko sa kangkong ko. Kahit ano lang.
Hello, friends.
Bumili ako guys ng tilapia o meron din tilapia rito. Ang sigang ko dun sa kangkong na nabili ko. Nakatikim man lang din ng pauwi na kami, nakabili na kami at nakapagupit na rin si Stella. Bye bye. I love you all. Thank you for watching.